back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Carobi. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So for today's video, I really wanted to give you guys an insight on the new Tatcha the Pearl eye treatment, under eye treatment. I thought it was really cool that Tatcha just came out with this. It's supposed to be like a tinted under eye treatment. That's exactly what I just said, but whatever. I thought it was really cool because usually we all worry about concealer and stuff like that, but we never worry about like long-term effects. So I really like that, you know, the products in this is supposed to hydrate your eyes and really help your under eyes, and has like a little bit of a tint. So if you didn't want to wear any makeup, it'd be like boom, boom, girl, boom. So I was like, okay, let me try this out. So I'm gonna read you guys exactly what it says it does. So it is an illuminating under eye treatment to hydrate over time with lustrous Akoya pearl extract for concealer optional eyes. Akoya pearl helps improve under eye darkness. Silk powder visibly smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Anti-aging hydration delivers a plump, refreshed appearance. Let's get right into the video. Here we go. Tatcha actually has a YouTube channel where they actually demonstrated exactly how to apply this, so that is what I'm using as a reference. I will link that down below for you guys to see also. This is actually pretty hard to do when you have nails, but so I saw the girl in the tutorial put it all the way to the end, so I'm just gonna do that. Now I'm just gonna pat it in. And like I said in the tutorial, she said that it's better to not to use a brush or anything like that. So that's what I'm not gonna use a brush. I'm just gonna use my fingers, which I usually don't use my fingers for anything really when it comes to makeup, but they said to do that, so I shall. Okay, so far it's very hydrating. It's definitely nothing like concealer. It literally just, I don't know, but it looks like it's working. At least on camera it looks like it's working. In person though, it doesn't, I don't see that much of a difference. But let's see on this eye. Wow, I feel like it definitely did brighten up my eyes. Like, I'm pretty lit. Like, not lit like lit, but like lit, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like, wow. And they said on the tutorial that you could actually wear this with no makeup. And honestly, I feel like you could, because if you were going to work and you're like, oh my god, I need to do my makeup really fast, and like you just put this on really quick, I feel like you can definitely go on your day like this, because it's not like heavy and you can't even tell I'm really wearing it. Especially like if this is how you first saw me, you wouldn't see that I'm wearing this, you know. So I'm actually gonna put foundation and everything on and just see how it looks with that. But so far I think I did a good job. And it's really moisturizing. Honestly, it doesn't feel like anything. It feels like I just put on moisturizer from earlier again. Alright, try on some foundation really quick. I'm just gonna apply a little bit, not too much. I usually do like a lot of foundation, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to stick to just a little bit of foundation. Wow, now that I have foundation on, I feel like this is like perfect, like quick in and out. I don't want people to see my bags type look. This is honestly, I feel like you wouldn't even need concealer, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna add concealer and see how it reacts to it. So I'm gonna go in with the KKW concealer, and this is in shade 5. And if I didn't mention it, I was gonna use the Maybelline 24-hour foundation, or Super Stay foundation, and this is in shade 120. This is the shade I use if like I really want to match my actual skin tone, but I use 128 from the Maybelline foundation if I'm trying to be like tan. So let's just apply concealer real quick. The girl from this tutorial also did mention that you do not need concealer, but if you are going to add concealer, just make sure to add a little bit amount compared to if you didn't have the under eye treatment. But since we already have so much going on, it's better off if you just use a little bit of concealer. If I wasn't bright before, I'm definitely bright now. Honestly, it feels really good. Like I don't feel like creases or anything like that is about to happen. So the girl in the tutorial actually said to use a more of a brightening powder rather than a setting powder. So I'm going to be going again with the KKW brightening powder, and this is shade 1. And then we're just going to apply that on under eye. I'm just gonna go and do the rest of my face, and I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay guys, I am back. Actually really like how it felt on my skin. It felt very hydrating, and right now, usually when I apply concealer, even the best concealer, it always feels dry under my eyes. Always, no matter what I use to moisturize, no matter what I use as primer, it always feels like dry. But right now it's, I don't know, for some reason I feel really hydrated. I did not think it was gonna work. I thought it was just gonna be like, oh whatever, something to waste your money on. But actually I feel like my eyes are really hydrated, like shit. No, but I honestly feel like it worked really well. I don't know if it would work with other concealers or with other powders, I don't know, but it worked with the KKW one. That's all I know. And like I said, I feel I feel like my eyes are really hydrated. And as you guys saw, I was already looking like I didn't really need any makeup on as soon as I put it on, because it really illuminated my eyes. I really do see a difference. I'm gonna actually start wearing it a lot and see what happens. I will keep you guys updated on how the cream is actually working from day to day. But I think it's a perfect thing if you are, you know, a 9 to 4 type of person. I mean, isn't it 9 to 5? Yeah, like a 9 to 5 type of gal, and you're working all the time and you don't have time to put it in the morning, or if you're just going to school really quick, I feel like it's perfect. And I know this sounds stupid, but I actually didn't start caring about my skin and my face until like not too long ago. When I say that, I mean like a year ago or so, because, you know, I was like, oh, I'm young, like who cares? But this is the only skin you have ever, so you need to start taking care of it. So whether you're young or you're a little bit older, it's the time now to take care of your skin. So I really hope that it does a difference eternally, as opposed to just like a quick concealer, you know, cover up. I don't want that. Like, I want something that actually takes care of my under eye. So I'll keep you guys updated, let you know how it's going. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. So thank you so much for tuning in today. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And that's it. So see you guys next time. Bye.